In 1969, American Civil Liberties Union's Washington, D.C. Lawrence Speiser, the office's director, appeared before Congress to testify against a bill that would greatly expand powers of federal law enforcement. Our constitutional system of government wisely limits the range of methods available to us, reflecting our historic commitment to liberty and justice rather than efficiency and expediency. Speiser said, "To extent this puts us at a disadvantage in fight against criminal organization. That is a price we must pay, because ultimately is what distinguishes lawful society from lawless society." Despite Speiser's warnings, Congress passed and President Richard Nixon signed the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act. The law, aimed at cracking down on Mafia, allowed prosecutors build conspiracy cases using certain state and federal crimes as predicate acts to establish an enterprise. Over several years, through increasingly aggressive prosecutions, the scope of law expanded to cover a much wider range of conduct than originally intended. As L. Gordon Crovitz noted in a 1990 Reason article, ambitious federal prosecutors have now discovered many uses of RICO, and it poses a grave danger to civil liberty and free enterprise. Since the creation of federal law, more than 30 states have adopted their own RICO statutes. Georgia's version, passed in 1980, is significantly broader than the federal law. In August, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, a Democrat and self-proclaimed RICO fan, used Georgia law to charge former President Donald Trump and 18 other defendants with racketeering. This crime is punishable by up to 20 years in prison, but as insulting as alleged actions of Trump and his cronies are. Willis uses RICO statute in a way that is far removed from law's original intent, and case threatens to impact activity protected by First Amendment. The charges in indictment, Trump's fourth since he left office, stem from defendants' collective efforts to overturn results of 2020 presidential election in Georgia. Highlights include January 2021 phone call in which Trump pressured Secretary State Brad Raffensperger, find enough votes to change election outcome in Georgia. Case involving numerous material misrepresentations regarding illegal voting, and scheme present, alternative, electors that indictment said involved variety crimes, including forgery, impersonation public official, and false statements on matters within jurisdiction state or political subdivisions. Trump's argument has always been that his claims about election are not lies because he believes them. According this defense, Trump had not, for example, implicitly encouraged Raffensperger violate his oath of office by threatening him with criminal liability if he did not find the votes necessary overturn Joe Biden's victory in Georgia. Trump asked Raffensperger do his job by investigating only credible allegations of. If case goes to trial, jury will